I'm gonna do a chocolate semifreddo. I am going to take my meringue mixture, which is basically egg whites and sugar, and I usually do this with a hand mixer. Cook this over a double boiler, and I just kind of whip it up with a hand mixer for about 10 minutes until I get the right peaks, right?
Gotcha.
Which I'm here. I also have some semi-sweet chocolate that I melted, which I'm gonna pour into my whites. And I'm gonna fold in, I have some whipped cream, okay? And this is such an easy dessert to do at home.
And you lined a little baking dish with some plastic.
With a little bit of plastic wrap, right? So I'm gonna just kind of fold this in, get this going. And you don't wanna overcook your eggs. When you're doing your eggs, you just want them to get to like a nice, sticky consistency.
You want it to look like marshmallow fluff.
Exact. that is a great analogy.
Right?
Okay, and now I'm just gonna take my
whipped cream?
Whipped cream, right?
And semifreddo, I wasn't really joking. It really is kind of like a chili pudding.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's like half frozen.
Yeah.
Almost frozen.
Almost frozen.
You know, like a little frozen. So, and I'm just going to put this together. Now, don't worry if it seems like it's a little loose. Okay?
It's gonna firm up.
And the chocolate is gonna set it up, right? So I'm gonna take this. All right.
Put it into the doodad.
Put it into the doodad, and then with the magic of TV, I have one out of the doodad over there. So I put my semifreddo in the freezer for about 8 hours, right? And then it becomes like this puddingy ice cream. I got a little bit of raspberry sauce here. Wow.
Oh, yum.
I'm gonna do the chicken saltimbocca. I salt and peppered my chicken, thin chicken cutlets.
Right.
I floured them, and I really quick brown them, and I put them on the side.
Gotcha. A little stock is going into the pan, guys, with some butter and olive oil.
Butter, olive oil, a little stock. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper in there and just brown it up a little bit. So while this is cooking a little bit, I'm going to put together my chicken saltimbocca. So basically, it's your chicken. We're gonna put a slice of prosciutto. We're gonna put some fresh mozzarella on top, a little bit of sage. Just like this, nice and pretty. How
well, you're
can
gonna
you go
have this
wrong?
beautiful sauce. I could smell it. You know,
it smells great.
I'm gonna actually put these right back in the pan.
I gotcha.
Right.
Finish off.
And now you're just sort of letting that melt down.
Melt down.
Right.
I'm gonna open that up a little bit, put some juice over it, let it melt a little bit more. Then we're gonna serve it. All right, got one.
We got two.
And you got dinner for 4, right?
Spin it around.
For dinner. That smells
beautiful.
so good.
Here we go.
Right over the top.
Look at that.